What's good, YouTube? What's good? Praying today goes super well. Today I am trying to install my full catback valved exhaust. It took me a while to do this because I thought I had like some of my boys do it for me, right? Because they have a lift, they own that and everything. But obviously timing, they're too busy with work. It's just a whole lot of stuff. I was like, all right, cool. I found out. So if you guys didn't know, I think I told you this, but I'm in the military, right? Now on base, they have something where you can rent a lift and the tools. Now it is first come, first serve. There's 3 lifts there. Hopefully I can secure one. It is an hour-and-a-half drive there. So wish me luck on that. But as you can see, you got 1, 2, 3 boxes there. And then you got the FCP Euro box right here. Now, right now, I'm gonna focus on the exhaust, but I also need to do an oil change. Now, I've heard the FCP Euro is really good with the oil changes, especially because they like, if you return the oil, they give you store credit, so you can then purchase another oil change pretty much. You do the oil change once you buy it from them, and then you're set. It is what it is. But it's actually really nice. So I'm gonna do that. I'll catch up, boys, when I make it there. Hour-and-a-half drive. Lovely. That's how we looking so far. Exhaust is off. Open dump. What's crazy is this company actually sent me, well, I believe this is a Catless downpipe, but I have one at home and I'm not gonna install it yet. Exhaust installed. I gotta fix the tips. I think that they stick out too much, especially that side. Oh, bro. Jesus Lord. That's how we looking. This had to get up. This had to be open. And I'm running it. All right, there we go. That grommet right there. Because I'm running it down too. I did have to peel back this. Take this shit out. This heat shield, just so I can grab the little wire from underneath. First one's in. I wired it underneath all of this. And then it's right there. All right. Oh. Woo-hoo. Don't worry about the tips. I gotta fix the tip. Shut the hell up. Hear me out. This is closed. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll read that upside down. Spool performance. I bought a downpipe, Catless downpipe from them. This is during like Black Friday till I bought it, bro. So I had it for a while. Let's go get it installed, man. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait. Oh my gosh. Finally my turn. The exhaust is on the lift. So we put a downpipe on. And then we're fixing these tips because they stick out. They stick out a lot. Like on this side here. You see it as well. Feel me? And it has to go a little higher, like it's hanging too low. They hang so low. 224. Just finished. This thing is crazy, yo. Jesus. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I'm pulling up right now to the park area where I was showing you guys the revs. Let me see. Does this still work? Oh, it does. I'm gonna go pull up on some friends right now to show off the downpipe and the exhaust. I'll throw those clips in right now, and then I'll see y'all for the next video. Oh, I can't wait, bro. when it's parked.
You don't gotta hear when it's parked.
That shit's loud. Bugging. Them downshifts is clean though.
As you guys heard, bro, this this thing sounds amazing, yo. This exhaust, bro, oh my gosh. This thing sounds amazing, yo. I can't wait, bro. I can't wait. Yo, the next video we're doing is gonna be amazing. Now that video, woo! It's fuel reserve, guys. I got scared for a second. Now let's see. See if I do this right. But yeah, man, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below what you think I should do next to the car after I tune it.